Welcome to the old city of Baku, also known as Icherisheher, which means inner city. This is the heart of Azerbaijan's capital and the most ancient part of Baku. Surrounded by fortress walls built in the 12th century, the old city has been home to people for centuries. Also, the territory inside the walls is not very large, just about 22 hectares. Life here always full of energy. Families lived close to each other and houses were built tightly together. That is why the streets are so narrow and winding. Even today, as you walk through these alleys, it feels like you could get lost among the stone walls and hidden passages. The old city is like a living museum. Every stone has a story to tell. You can find ancient caravanserais, mosques, bathhouses, and traditional courtyards that once welcomed travelers and merchants from the Great Silk Road. Many old movies were filmed here, using these beautiful narrow streets as a natural backdrop. When you wander through them, you feel transported back in time, as if history itself is walking beside you. Icherisheher is not only about monuments, it is about atmosphere. The smell of freshly baked bread, the sound of footsteps echoing on cobblestones, the view of carpets hanging from balconies. All these creates a unique feeling that you can only experience here. Walking through the old city of Baku is like walking through centuries of history, culture and tradition. So let's go lost together in this maze of narrow streets and discover the timeless charm of Baku's old city.